They call it a dream. A white yacht. Calm blue water. A glass of wine at sunset. But no one talks about the sound that comes right before that dream. The click of your credit card maxing out. This yacht is 22 years old. When she first touched the water, Britney Spears was on the radio, and gas was $1.30 a gallon. Now it's your turn to bring her back to life. And the ocean is about to teach you what owning a yacht really means. You see her at sunrise, still beautiful, but tired. The teak deck has lost its glow. The paint on the stern is peeling, the name almost gone, Eleanor Grace. You think, I'll fix her up. But the sea doesn't care about optimism. Then the bills arrive. Engines $6,000 each. Generator gone. Pump leaking. Toilet exploded in the middle of the night, because the ocean has a sense of humor. You make a spreadsheet. Fuel, $700 a trip. Dock fees, $450 a month. Insurance, $2,200 a year. Repairs endless. At the yard she hangs in old straps, dripping salt water like tears. Workers circle her hull, shaking their heads. Blisters. Old paint. The air smells like resin and regret. 2 weeks later you pay 10 grand. And still smile, because love makes people stupid. You paint, polish, and sand until your hands ache. The brass shines again. Friends say, she looks amazing. You nod, pretending you didn't spend your vacation fixing a toilet. At sunset you pour a drink, watch the light glide over her bow, and whisper. Maybe it's worth it. Then you hear it drip, drip. Water where it shouldn't be. Boats never rest. They just wait for the next problem. Let's talk numbers. Purchase, $85,000. Transport, $3. First refit, $14. Fuel and dockage another $7 a year. That's $110,000 before your first Instagram sunset. People say, living on a boat is cheaper than rent. Sure, if your rent includes diesel, corrosion, and the constant fear of sinking. This isn't an investment. It's a relationship. And like every toxic one, it drains your wallet, your time, your sanity. And somehow, you still come back. Because there's a moment. When the wind hits right. When the water turns turquoise and the city disappears. When the engine hums steady, and for a heartbeat, you feel free. You remember the kid who dreamed of this. And you realize freedom is never cheap. Night falls. Newer yachts gleam around you, but they have no stories. Yours does. You sit on deck, calculator beside you, whiskey half gone. You smile and whisper. She's worth every damn dollar. At dawn, Eleanor Grace sails out of the harbor. Worn, scarred, imperfect, but alive. She's not new. Not cheap. But she's yours. And that's what makes her priceless. Before you fall in love with a yacht, watch this again. Behind every shiny deck, there's a wallet quietly crying. Subscribe for more honest yacht stories. And remember, in boating, the most expensive word is maybe.